on the Grand River Raceway Report, we explore the difference between trotters and pacers. Trotting and pacing refers to the gait of a horse or the movement of the horse's legs. Standardbred racehorses are either trotters or pacers. Trotters and pacers race against horses of their own gait. A horse's gait is mostly determined by its breeding or bloodlines. Trotting mares are bred to trotting stallions, just as pacing mares are bred to pacing stallions. The foals or newborn horses are therefore genetically programmed to follow suit to its parental gait. Pacers move their legs in a lateral motion, meaning the two legs on the same side of the body move in unison. For example, both right legs on a pacer move forward as both left legs move back. Most pacers wear hobbles, which are leather or plastic straps looped around their legs to assist in keeping the pacer's gait consistent and fluid. Trotters move in a choppier fashion than pacers. Their legs move in a diagonal motion, with the right front leg moving forward at the same time as the back left leg. Trotters are often considered more challenging to drive because of this diagonal gait, which makes them more prone to breaking stride or galloping during a race. Pacers are more predominant in North American harness racing, while trotters account for a larger share of the breed overseas. Time now for the Grand River Raceway Report Speedy Quiz. What is the proper name for a female horse 3 years of age or younger? The answer? Filly. A filly is a female horse 3 years of age or younger. A female horse 4 years of age or older is referred to as a mare. That wraps up this week's Grand River Raceway Report. Live harness racing continues Monday nights at 7:30 and Friday nights at 7:25.